Hello, I'm Tordur here with my friend from Copenhagen, Victor. We are here from the HMO Advanced Workshop. We're both members of the Momentum Property Education Mentorship.
Yes, we are, and it is one of the best pieces of information we've received in the past 2 years when it comes to property investment. Really high quality, straight from the source.
The most important thing when it comes to property is to become property literate. That's why it's important to immerse yourself in all the workshops you can get. Because in property, it's about finding the best deals, the gems, and the more literate you become in property, the quicker you are to spot deals and the quicker you can go through deals. So if you're serious about property investing, attend every workshop you can.
And especially go get your information from the source, from people that did it already and have that experience.
People that have failed, people that have done many deals, people that have tried every possible situation that you can think of.
Invest in yourself first, and then you can invest in anything else.
See you at our next workshop.